from DG Villanueva if he has something to say about this interview of the former president in relation to this 11 or 13 Chinese nationals.
So you have a video to show.
Yes, Mr. Chair, and I understand that the Secretariat is ready to play.
Secretariat?
For the guidance of everyone, hinahanap po natin kung nasan yung 11 or 13 Chinese nationals who were allegedly turned over to the Bureau of Immigration after the Dumoy raid on December 31. What's the year, Mr. Chair? 2004.
Nila na ginawa mo. Kaya yung sa Dumoy, inubos ko talaga. I did it because I had to do it for my country.
I believe it's clear, Mr. Chair, yung sa Dumoy, inubos ko talaga. I did it because I have to do it for my country. Can we hear the comment of DG Villanueva?
Mr. Chair, kilala naman natin si Presidente. May rhetoric talaga yan para makita. But ang sinasabi ni President is Dumoy. Dumoy Laboratory. Talagang patay lahat yung naandun, Mr. Chair. Hindi doon sa kung saan na area. So yun yung, I believe that's the context. But knowing him, talagang ganun magsalita, sir. Mr. Chair, patay yan. Akong bahala dyan. Mga ganun usually.
Mr. Chair.
Tatapon ko sa helicopter yan.
Mr. Chair. Naniniwala ba si General Wilkins na rhetoric lang yon? Naniniwala kayong rhetoric lang yon?
Yung Dumoy, Mr. Chair, is...
binanggit mo rhetoric
Yun
So,
nga.
alam mo yung utak ng dating Pangulo?
Mr. Chair, I'm talking about Dumoy Laboratory.
You are talking about what the President said.
Doon sa Dumoy Laboratory, Mr.
Dali
Chair.
lang. Pinanggit kanina ni Congresswoman Luistro Pinakita sa iyo yung video Nakita ron na ubos ko talaga. You were not referring to you were referring to the statement of the former president. And you said it is just rhetoric. Rhetoric lang ba yun? I'm just asking.
Yes,
Is
Mr.
that rhetoric, Mr. Chair?
Mr. Chair,
Sa'yo. Sagutin mo ako. Yes or no, is that rhetoric?
Mr. Chair, yung sinasabi ni Presidente during that time was in Dumoy.
My goodness, you're impossible. You are very impossible. Sasagutin mo lang ako Binanggit mo rhetoric Alam mo naman si Presidente. Binanggit mo, alam nyo naman si Presidente. Alam mo ang utak ng dating Pangulo? Rhetoric lang pa yung sinabi niya?
I'm sorry for the word, Mr. Chair.
Ayun.
I'm sorry for the word.
Salamat.
Mr. Chair, just a very short interjection if my good friend Congresswoman Jinky Luistro would allow me.
Well, the committee, Your Honor, does not really allow interjections. But since the good Congresswoman from Batangas allowed you to, then perhaps if it is maybe 30 seconds short, you can...
It's very, very short, Mr. Chair. Can we play again the video?
Sige. Please play the video again.
Comsec, can we play again the video?
Comsec, Secretariat, can you please play the video?
The video that was just shown earlier, Mr. Chair, where the President mentioned about naubos ko lahat.
Nila na ginawa mo. Kaya yung sa Dumoy, inubos ko talaga. I did it because I had to do it for my country.
Mr. Chair, just want to be clarified because we apparently have a scenario here where there are 11 Chinese nationals that were turned over, and there are also killed foreign nationals in Dumoy. I just want to be clarified because DJ Wilkins mentioned categorically that the president was specifically means Dumoy. Can we put that into record, Mr. Chair, that he knows exactly what the president was talking about? Because the premise of the question of Congresswoman Jinky was about the 11 Chinese nationals. We did not know where they are, whether they're really alive or if they were, killed. Just to put into record, Mr. Chair, that the DG Wilkins Villanueva knew exactly categorically what the president was referring to.
Mr. Chair, what I hear, if I can hear it right, yung pinag-uusapan dito, Mr. Chair, issued sa Dumoy. That is why, nung pinakita yung video ng presidente na inubos ko lahat sa Dumoy, talagang ubos lahat, Mr. Chair. It's not in Arlene apartment or what. It's in Dumoy na anti-drug operation, clandestine laboratory operation, Mr. Chair. That's what I'm saying, Mr. Chair.
Okay, but you did the operation in Dumoy, right?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
So was there a clear, because when the president says, taking into the context of his pronounce it there, inubos ko sila lahat, did he direct you personally to make ubos of all the Chinese that you found there in the raid?
Lumaban yung anim, Mr. Chair. Kinikwento ko nga kanina, yung pang-anim na namatay,
No,
pinakal yung agent natin, yung
No,
police natin.
Yeah, Mr. Chair. I'm not saying the manner of which they were killed. I'm just trying to patch and link his statement with the one that you just said earlier. Kasi ang sinabi niya, inubos ko sila lahat. Pero kayo po yung gumawa ng raid. Now put that into context, did he order you to kill all
No,
those Chinese?
no, Mr. Chair. Hindi
Yun ang
po.
gusto kong
Kami lang,
mention.
sa amin yan, Mr.
So
Chair.
yun ang gusto naming i-point out po ni ni Chairman Benny Abate.
Yes,
So I
Mr.
would
Chair.
suggest to DJ Wilkins Villanueva not to speak on behalf of the President
Yes,
because we
yes,
can never understand what the President really means.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Okay,
Mr. Chair.
before that, let
Short
me
lang.
acknowledge the presence of Congressman Johnny Pimentel and Congresswoman Janet Green.
Short
Are
lang,
you done, Congresswoman Luistro? You are
Sige
okay.
lang.
Thank you, Jinky.
Please proceed, Congressman Dan.
Hindi, I was a little bit, medyo mayroong akong konting confusion about the pronouncement of the former president. And I was amazed, no? Na, actually, ngayon ko lang parang nakita to na siya yung pumatay. Ang question ko lamang po, we were talking about the 13 Chinese nationals. At doon sa 13 Chinese nationals na yon, meron siyang tatlong mga bata. Merong 14 years old, merong 15 years old, at merong 18 years old. So kung sakaling totoo yung sinasabi ng former president that he killed everybody, yeah, for the love of the country, involving those children, this is something that is so serious, no? And we have to take it seriously talaga. And I just wanted to know, asan na tong 13 taong ito? Sa ngayon, Wilkins, we don't know the whereabouts of these 13 Chinese nationals.
Mr. Chair, talagang ang makakasagot nito is Bureau of Immigration. Tama yung sabi ni Congress Representative Luistro na tingnan yung travel record. Kasi talagang nirelease ng BID. It's the BID na makakasagot nito, Mr. Chair. Mas madadali kung makuha talaga yung travel records ng mga taong ito, Mr. Chair.
Okay, Mr. Chairman, yun lamang gusto kong medyo maintindihan and kailangan po magkaroon tayo ng closure dito sa isyong to, no? Very bothering po itong pati bata ay kung talagang pinatay ng former president to ay medyo bothering to that even the Chinese embassy must be aware of what happened. What about the Chinese embassy. Ano naging reaction nila on these Chinese nationals? Have we invited the Chinese embassy during that time? Because these are all Chinese nationals. So basically, these criminals must be turned over to them, correct? Have we included the Chinese embassy?
Hindi ko pa alam kung anong action talaga ng Bureau of Immigration, Mr. Chair. Kaya-
A while ago, you were mentioning General Wilkins that it was a comprehensive briefing that you have conducted.
Yes, sa mga
was-
VIPs
Yeah.
na dumating on this January 1st, Mr. Chair.
And who conducted that briefing?
Ako po.
No, I mean, who invited all those personalities, the VIPs?
Mr. Chair, coming from Manila po sila eh.
What I mean is like, who invited? Are they the one who started the meeting, or sila po ba nagpatawag, or it was you who have invited those VIPs?
Sinundo,
Sino ang
Mr. Chair, ano po yun? Yung VIP o yung, ano po yung tanong niyo po ulit?
You were telling us, di ba, na meron kayong kinonduct na briefing, di ba?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Involving the immigration, Angelo Reyes.
Walang,
A while ago, you were telling that. I heard you.
yes, pero hindi ko alam kung may immigration doon, Mr. Chair. Kasi ang sinalubong namin from the airport, yung Davao International Airport,
Yes.
merong isang VIP room doon, Mr. Chair eh. Yun yung holding area namin na
Kasi
lahat ng VIPs.
who are those people? I mean, sila ba nag-start nung nagpatawag nung briefing, or it was you?
Ako po, hindi po. Sinundo ko po sila. So, while magkakasabay sila, General Reyes, General Aglipay, General De Leon, General Abinido.
So they
Magkakasabay
went
sila.
there on their own volition?
From Manila.
They went there on their own volition, or you're the one who called them over?
No, they decided to come over sa Davao City because of that anti-drug operation, Mr. Chair. So what I did is para isahang briefing, doon ako sa airport launch nag-conduct ng briefing for all of them. Bago i-travel sila papuntang Dumoy Laboratory so that alam nila ano yung i-expect nila doon sa area.
Alright.
So I decided to conduct the briefing for them. During that time, walang immigration doon, Mr.
So
Chair.
wala ka na remember that Chinese embassy were...
Wala po, wala
Okay.
po.
Sige, yun lang po, Mr. Chairman. Maraming salamat po.
Okay, thank you, Congressman Paduano. Congressman Fernandez. The next to interpolate is Congressman Abante, and then after Congressman Abante, we will proceed with
Mr.
another
Chairman.
presentation.
Mr. Chairman, can I just make a short
With the
comment?
indulgence of Congressman Abante, sige,
Go ahead.
Congressman Paduano, if it's just very short, we will allow...
This is just a manifestation, Mr. Chairman, and I don't need answers coming from the resource person, especially to General Wilkins. Mr. Chairman, the last statement made, kasi kanina wala ako dito, nung sinalaysay yung nangyari talaga sa Dumoy, yung pagkamatay, when he stated that yung pinakahuli na Chinese national na namatay, sinakal daw yung isang ahente. Eh, sinakal lang pala eh. Ba't pinatay? Di ba? Is it commiserate? Eh, kung sinakal lang, ibig sabihin nun, baka wala siyang baril. Di ba, Mr. Chairman? Kaya, ako, ang daming inconsistencies. Ayaw ko nga, hindi ko nga kita tinatanong, this is just my manifestation. Eh, yung mga statement, in fact, Mr. Chairman, to add my manifestation, ang daming nakakalimutan si General Wilkins, pero yung mga pizza, hindi niya nakakalimutan. At hindi pa ito tapos. Pag dumating yung official document ng PIDEA, doon tayo po magkakaalam-alaman. Pero once again, Mr. Chairman, nagtataka po ako sa statement na yung pang-anim o yung last na namatay, sinakal pa nga yung isang agent ng PIDEA daw o ng agent nila General Wilkins. Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Again, I don't need the reply from General Wilkins.
Okay.
Thank you po.
Salamat. So we will now proceed with the last interpolator on the second presentation by PIDEA. Congressman Abante, you are recognized. You have 10 minutes.
Mr. Chair, with the indulgence of the Honorable Chairman Abante.
Okay, Congressman Akop, with the indulgence of Congressman Abante, please proceed.
Yeah. May I ask General La Peña, at saka si Yusek Gumban, hindi po ba pursuant to the law, which was already in existence in 2004, tama po ba? Yung Republic Act 9165, hindi ba?
Yes, sir.
Kung ang operations are anti-illegal drugs, ang PDEA ang Office of Primary Responsibility.
That's right, sir.
Yusek Gumban, would you agree with that?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
General General Wilkins, would you agree with that?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
So, in other words, yung lahat po na nangyayari from December 31 to January 5, dapat kayo po ang nakakaalam dahil kayo po ang Office of Primary Responsibility.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Pero sa pagsasagot nyo po sa amin, parang hindi nyo po alam yung nangyari. Kasi you stated that you do not even know kung sino yung mga pumunta sa Arlene apartment. For example, if I asked you, what is the distance between the Arlene apartments at saka yung chemical warehouse sa Agdao?
Siguro, Mr. Chair, mga 5 minutes ride. 3 to 5 minutes ride.
Yes. Ni-raid nyo na yung Agdao, yung Arlene apartments. January 1, bumalik kayo sa 5 minutes na lugar from Arlene apartment, ni-raid nyo yung warehouse doon. January 4.
Yes, Mr. Chair. Kasi wala kaming search warrant doon, Mr. Chair.
Saan?
Sa Agdao warehouse, Mr. Chair, wala kaming warrant eh.
Wala rin kayong warrant sa Arlene eh.
Doon sa Arlene naman, Mr. Chair, kasi sumama naman yung mga tao, Mr. Chair eh.
Hindi yun ang issue eh. Ang issue doon is, did you have a search warrant to that? Are you telling me that you can enter any place? A private place without any warrant of arrest, search warrant?
Mr. Chair, hindi ko alam kung ano yung actual na nangyari.
Office
Yes,
of
Mr.
Primary
Chair.
Responsibility. You are not accepting responsibility dahil hindi nyo ma-explain kung nasaan yung 13 na Chinese. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
All right, thank you so much. Now I will be proceeding to the next interpellator. Congressman Abante, Chairman, you are now recognized.
Thank you.
You have 2 minutes. Atin pala. Sige, go ahead.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Akala ko meron ka rin interpellation. Yung pala, ikaw na yung chair. Eh. Anyway, hihingi sana ako ng oras sa pagkakataong ito to be able to read the certain statement of Las Cañas, no? Sa kanyang affidavit. May I, Mr. Chair?
All right, go ahead, Chairman.
Ito po ang sinabi niya. I called up Sunny at tinatanong ko po kung sino yung Sunny. Ito pala yung Sunny Benaventura na General Wilkins, driver mo to, no?
Hindi po.
Driver ni?
Hindi po, Mr. Chair.
Driver the former president. I called up Sunny immediately and told him about the money deal Alan C. proposed to me. And Sunny told me to wait for a while because he would inform RRD who is sitting beside him. When RRD was on the phone, he told me not to buy the proposed money deal of Alan C., that he would take care of us regarding the issue of money, and that he had in his disposal huge amount of Intel funds. RRD told me to proceed with the agreed plan to clean up and dispose of the 11 Chinese nationals and that they were menace to our society. So, kinwento po niya rito, no? Kung papaano niya pinatay. Well, Mr. Chair, I'm not against the killing of Chinese drug lords. What I'm against is the way they were killed. Di ba? I mean, hindi naman yung pagpatay. Siguro, kakampihan ko na rin na pinatay itong mga drug lords na ito eh. Pero ang iniisip ko, yung the way kung paano sila pinatay. Ito, sabi dito, there are Sabi dito ni Las Cañas, so sinabi niya, yes sir, and it ended our conversation. SPO4 Ben Laud approached me and whispered to me that everything is ready now. It was past 2 a.m. In the morning. SPO4 Ben Laud and I instructed our force multipliers or the RRA assets. There were more or less 4 of them to bring the 11 Chinese nationals to the mountainous area of Laud Quarry, were an 8-foot deep, more or less, 6 feet in length, ready for the 11 Chinese nationals involved in the production of illegal drugs in a drug laboratory in Davao City. Thereat, I shot first Alan C. twice in the head using a 22 caliber pistol with silencer. Then 2 of our force multipliers men dragged the dead body of Alan C. near to the mouth of the grave, tossed the dead body deep down to the common grave, then followed by the 8 other Chinese nationals. I shot them alone with a pistol, one by one, twice in their heads to the ground. Then I let Jim Tan shoot the other 2 male Chinese nationals, and he did. The 11 Chinese nationals rested in peace in their common grave with bullets in their head, and the rest was history. Ito po ay sinabi sa affidavit ni Mr. Las Cañas. Halimbawa, ikaw, General Wilkins, gagawin niyo ba yung klase ng pagpatayan na ginawa ni Las Cañas?
Hindi po.
Yun. Okay. Ibig sabihin, naniniwala din kayo sa due process, correct?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Ayan. So, mali yung kanilang way ng pagpatay.
Hindi ko kasi kilala si Las Cañas
Dahil
talaga.
hindi yung
So,
pinag-usapan.
mali talaga si Las Cañas.
Ayun. Yun ang gusto kong sabihin mo sa akin.
Mali po si
Hindi
Las
ka-
Cañas. No?
Hindi ka sumasang-ayon
Yes.
kung paano sila pinapamatay. Di mali ang ginawa ni Las Cañas.
Yes, sir.
Oo. Pero ito, personal testimony ni Las Cañas to na ginawa niya, no? So, ito, gusto kong tanungin si Mr. Asierto. Andiyan ba si Mr. Asierto? Oo. Andiyan pa. Mr. Asierto? Well, bago yan, habang ating inaano pa si Mr. Esierto, gusto ko rin tanungin ng ibang general dito. General La Peña, general ka rin, di ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
Hindi mo rin gagawin to.
Yes, definitely not, Honor.
Oo. Naniniwala rin kayo sa due process.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. So, mali ang ginawa ni Las Cañas.
Yes, Your Honor. Mali,
Alright.
Your Honor.
Sino po yung ibang general dyan? Sagutin niyo ako. General Nico, pakisabi mo nga sa akin, ikaw ang PIDEA head dito, di ba?
The officer in charge, sir. Yes, sir, it is very wrong.
So, mali-mali yung ginawa.
Yes, sir.
No? Ngayon look ito Chinese drug lords to di ba? I mean, look tanggapin natin na dapat patayin itong mga ito. Pero, katulad nyo, naniniwala din po ako sa due process. Okay. Andyan si Mr. Peldon. Ikaw nasa PNP rin, di ba? Dati. Am I right? Army. At sa Army ka dati, di ba? Oo. Ano po yun?
Marines, Your Honor.
Marine. Yan. Matindi ang mga Marines. Believe ako sa mga Marines Pero, gagawin mo rin ba ang ginawa ni Las Cañas? Kung yung pagkakataon ka.
No, Your Honor.
Ha?
No, Your Honor.
Okay. So, naniniwala ka rin sa due process. Yun po ang sinasabi natin dito sa taong bayan po natin. Sa akin, okay lang po na arrestuin natin, idemanda natin, kasuhan natin yung mga Chinese na yan, pa-deport natin, o kaya naman pag nang laban, patayin natin. Pero yung ginawa nila sa Kanyas, mali. So I'm not against this war on drugs. What I'm against is, unang-una, bakit maraming napatay? Pangalawa, bakit ganito ang pagkakapatay? At pangatlo, bakit parang may utos ang dating Pangulo rito? So, Mr. Ejerto, nakita mo yung dalawang video na kanina nakita natin, no? So, palagay nyo, ano po kaya ang tinutukoy ni former President nung sinabi niya na inubos ko talaga? Ano po kaya ang tinutukoy niya dito sa inubos niya? Anong masasabi niyo dito? May audio.
Parang sinasabi niya po na talagang pinapatay niya po yung mga tao sa Domoy.
Okay. So,
Sorry. Ano mo kasi, Dumoy, malaki naman yung Dumoy.
Oh. So, pinatay niya yung mga taong ito. Pala sa Dumoy yata, 6 bang napatay, General Wilkins, no?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Doon sa Arlene, 13. 13 ang pinatay.
Hindi ko alam, Mr. Chair.
Oo, 13 ang pinatay. Alam mo yon, di ba, Mr. Ejerto?
Yung 13 po sa Arlene apartment, ang
Yes,
alam ko po
yes.
na-release po sila.
So, alam mo din yon.
Hindi po sila pinatay, alam ko po na-release sila ng BID.
So, ibig sabihin, ang inyong pagkakaalam, ang inyong paniniwala, na itong statement na ito ng ating dating Pangulo na inubos talaga, kung kayo ang nakarinig niyan, ubusin nyo rin, correct?
Most likely po.
Ayun. Sapagkat utos ng Pangulo. Tama po ba ako?
Opo.
Na alam mo, the thing is, nababangkit kasi palagi, dapat patayin to sapagkat mahal ko ang bayan ko eh. Alam nyo, kayong mga general, sinabi nyo mali ang the way na pinatay itong mga to. Pero mahal nyo ang Pilipinas, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mahal nyo ang Pilipinas, at dahil mahal nyo ang Pilipinas, mahal nyo ang Saligang Batas, correct?
That's right, Your Honor.
Ang Saligang Batas sinasabi na kinakailangan may due process, correct po ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
O, so wag mo natin nga sabihin na sapagkat mahal mo ang Pilipinas, papatay ka ng tao ng hindi tama sa pagkakapatay. Anyway, Mr. Ejerto, ulit, no? The PDEA claims, that in 2004 to 2005, there were several raids conducted across Davao City, no? Particularly Arlene Apartment, sa isang clandestine laboratory in Dumoy, sa isang industrial compound in Bunawan, sa isang chemical warehouse in Nagdao. Do you confirm this, Mr. Ejerto?
Yes, Mr. Chairman.
So dito po sa 4 na raids na ito, andun kayo?
Sa Domoy, opo, nandiyan po ako.
Sa Arlene, wala kayo doon?
Yung kinuha po nila yung mga tao sa Arlene apartment, wala po ako.
Wala ka doon. Doon sa industrial compound, sa Bunawan.
Opo, nandun po yung
Andun kayo?
head scrapper.
Oo.
Nandun po ako.
Doon sa chemical warehouse in Nagdao, andun din po kayo?
Opo, nandun din po ako.
Okay. Now, kasama nyo rin po ba sa raid na ito na nandun kayo si General Wilkins Villanueva? Tama po ba?
Opo.
Oo. Okay. General, kinukumpirma nyo rin po ba ito?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Okay. So, kasama po kayo sa Dumoy raid. Kasama
Yes,
kayo doon.
Mr. Chair.
Okay. Kayo po ba pinaka-lead doon? Sino pinaka-lead doon?
Ako po, Mr. Chair.
Ikayo, oo. Sa surveillance na ginawa bago yung raid na ito, kasama rin po ba kayo?
Mga tao na namin po yan, Mr. Chair.
Mga tao nyo na. So, Mr. Ejerto, naalala nyo po ba kung bakit naging target yung 4 na lokasyon na yan? Alala nyo?
Opo.
Meron po ba kayong ginawang surveillance dyan bago nyo ginawa yung pag-rape?
Opo. Sinurvey lang po namin sila ng matagal.
Opo. Kasama po ba kayo sa mga nag-surveillance sa mga areas na yan?
Hindi po sa lahat ng pagkakataon. Ang talaga po naggawa ng surveillance ay
Okay, pero kasama kayo sa ibang surveillance na ginawa.
Opo.
So, sino-sino po ba yung kasama nyo sa nag-surveillance?
Si Captain Pajardo, late Captain Pajardo, si then Sergeant Perote, the late Sergeant Perote, and Jerry Liwanag po.
Okay. Mr. Chair, gusto ko lang ulitin by way of manifestation na tulad po ng ating mga mabubuting general dito, naniniwala po sila sa due process, pero mahal din po nila ang kanilang bansa. Ano? Ang sinasabi ko lang dito ay ganito. Naniniwala po ako sa war on drugs. Naniniwala po ako ng mga Chinese drug lord na ito, hindi manatiling buhay kung kinakailangan patayin. Pero naniniwala rin po tayo sa ating saligang batas. Oho, na kinakailangan po may due process na ang suspect is considered innocent until proven guilty. Na ang pagkakapatay na ginawa ni Las Cañas, kung totoo yan, ay maling-mali at hindi dapat sa ating demokratikong lipunan. Yun lang po, Mr. Chair. Salamat po.
Thank you, Congressman Abante.